My 10-year-old niece Reagan wants to go fishing, so we're here on the river, and we're gonna figure out how to do that. We'll see what happens. Okay, so Reagan doesn't have too much experience. I just had them drop me off at this creek mouth because I figured lures isn't probably the best bet. So the best thing to do would be bobber with a minnow. So I got my seine net, and I'm gonna go in here into this creek and look for some chubs or shiners or whatever. So a seine net, there's 2 poles, some net. One end has, the bottom end has weights on it, top end has floats on it, and they're great for picking up bait in creeks. So I see some minnows here. What they're gonna do is they're gonna find the nearest crevice, and I'm gonna try to catch them before they do. All right, I got a bunch. So we've got a few shiners in there. Check. All right, it was too muddy and too windy to use a live bait. So, unfortunately, we're gonna have to fish with lures.
Unfortunately?
Yeah.
That's fun.
So, I'm giving Reagan a bait that no matter what it does, they should eat it. You just gotta keep it above the weeds, just cast and reel. And if you get one, pull back on them and reel them in. It's fine. You're not gonna see it. All right, if I hook one, Reagan, you want to reel it in? Okay. Here, Viv. I mean, Rig. All right, give him the rod. There you go. Reel, quick. Hold it hard. You got it? Reel. Keep reeling. Oh my gosh, it's a musky. Hold on. We don't have a leader. It's a tiger musky. It's a tiger musky. Oh my gosh.
You need to take a photo, or Mom's
Yeah.
gonna kill you.
Yeah, I'll get you. Can you get that net out, Ralph, so we can put it in there?
This?
Yep.
Yeah. Sliced me bad. Yeah. Oh, he sliced me up. Here, drop that net down. We'll get him in there. Just put it in the water. Got somewhere to put him. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Not expecting that. Look.
Where?
Fuck. Okay. Pull that. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Yeah, 28 inches or so. Okay. All right, Reagan, come up here with me. Oh no, stand up here. You're gonna get in front of me. Okay, ready?
Get up here, Reagan.
Come here. Stand up in front of me.
No.
No, you're gonna stand between my arms.
Okay.
Get it big close, put a hand on it. The 28-inch tiger. You get her? We'll be able to
Got it.
put your hand. All right?
Yep.
All right, here, keep watching it. Keep watching the fish. Ready? All right, come here. Grab the tail. You wanna? Yeah, grab the tail. Grab his tail. Hold it. Right there. I'll get it. I'll come here.
Why?
Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Bye-bye.
Nice catch.
Yeah, he's gone. That fish is fine. Beautiful. All right, nice job. Huh. Wow. So there's my hand. But 28-inch tiger muskie, that's a pretty rare catch. That's a pretty good catch, Reagan. So that fish hit a red, Texas red jackhammer with a chartreuse little grub trailer. And I had it straight to braid, but now I got an 80-pound floral leader in case that happens again, in case it's gonna become a thing. Just in case, I doubt it. How's your first tiger muskie feel? How'd that feel?
Oh, good.
Good? Awesome. Okay. Got one. Yeah, you want him? I am filming, yeah. I'm almost filming. Oh, he's pretty nice. He's not bad.
Need the net?
Nah. Little smallie. Boom.
Will this one bite?
No. This one doesn't have teeth. This one's actually easy to deal with. Very nice size. Beautiful Mon River smallie.
I got one. I got one.
Yeah, okay, got one. Real. Good job.
Did it?
Yeah, I got one.
All right, here, bring it to me.
I think it's the same one.
Oh, here, bring it over here. There's no way it's the same one.
I think it's the same one.
No way.
I was just joking.
Okay, is it rolling? All right, now you can actually hold this one.
I don't want to hold it.
No, here, I'll show you.
Not by the mouth.
All right, so.
I'm not holding it by the
No,
mouth.
yeah, yes, you have to.
I
This is the
can't.
way you hold it.
I can't. That's disgusting.
Really?
I'm not
Just
holding
Come
it.
on,
No.
please. Please, it will make me happy. Pinch hard. Get your hand inside. Now, inside the lip. Get it? Now hold your hand like, yeah. Let go of your other hand. That's fine. That's all you got to do. Good job. You nice bass. You did it all by yourself too. Now let him go. Beautiful. Great work.
I only did because you got hurt.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's going for it. Oh, got him. I saw him wicking on it. Thank you. You want the next one if I get one?
Sure.
Okay. You got it.
Then it will be sitting like that.
Oh, watch out. Wait. Go. You go slow. I'll go fast. Oh, I got him.
Again?
I told you this is a good spot. Oh, yeah. You want him? Here.
Yeah.
I forgot about that too. Put it back in the water. Fight him some more.
And what some more?
Fight him. Here. Hold the rod. Hold the rod.
Can this one bite?
It doesn't have teeth, so it can't hurt you.
Well, I don't know which one.
You want to hold this one again? You remember how? Okay?
I don't want to.
Come on.
I don't want
Practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the better you get at
I
it.
know how to do it. I just don't want to.
I want you to let him go. Get your finger in his mouth.
No.
Do it. All right, hold him then. You know it's the safest way because you got spikes up here. That's why you grab the mouth.
No, I'm okay. You can hold him. I'll be your
You're holding the next one.
Okay, fine.
Here. Okay, we got 4 bass and a tiger muskie. Not bad, right?
Yeah,
What was your favorite part?
the tiger musky.
The tiger muskie was pretty, right?
Yeah.
Not bad. High five. Okay. Thanks, Viv. See you next time. Thanks for watching.